welcome back to my channel Informative Updates. So here is another very big update from the CSIR, that is the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research Recruitment, and that is the it is a very big research and development organization in India to promote the scientific and industrial and economic growth. So here I'll be sharing about the last date and the starting date and the end date and how where to apply and all the necessary details. So let's start from here. The starting date for the submission is from 14th of January and the last date is 14th of February. So you have time, you can apply from the online, official website. Here are the posts where for which you can apply. It is for the scientist post. Total number of the posts and the reservations is 11 for General 5, EWS 1, OBC non-creamy layer 3, SC 1, ST 1. And the pay level as per the 7th CPC is level 11. So it's a very huge amount. So the total emoluments as per the 7th CPC, it is rupees 1,32,660 approx, inclusive of the basic pay, DA, HRA and T, etc. Upper age limit is 32 years. Next, the description of the posts of the advertisements are the scientific post code 1, that is for SC. Essential qualifications is for the BTech in electrical or electronics or instrumentation engineering or equivalent, the postgraduates like that. And you have to get first class or 60% on an aggregate and an equivalent GPA, or for the ME MTech in electronics and electrical instrumentations and engineering or equivalent, or PhD engineering submitted in the electrical or electronics, they all can apply for this post. Then the desirable qualifications under the desirable experience is experience in the intellectual property law or patent searches or patent analysis or patent drafting, market data analysis, market intelligence. The job description is to support the CSIR by facilitating the technically feasible R&D, patent fillings or etc. They have asked for the as job requirements. Then for the post scientific scientist, post code is 2, total number of the 2 posts, that is for the general one. For that is the qualifications required is ME MTech in information technology, information and communication technology, computer science or equivalent, or you have to have a PhD in science or engineering submitted in information and communication technology or computer science or equivalent. Then you should have experience in the software application or development, system administration and computer networking. Then you should have an experience in GOI politics or guidelines in the ICT area, such as the infrastructure, applications, development, security. Then these are the job roles you can check over here. Then the next post is scientist for the OBC NCL. There also the qualifications are ME MTech in information technology, informations and communication technology, computer science and or equivalent, or again then the PhD in science and engineering. Again, the experience required is experience in the HTML or Linux or Unix environments, or Java, JavaScript, AngularJS, Spring, and Hibernate frameworks, Postgres database, CSS, IDEs such as the Eclipse, SQL, code versing, etc. Then the scientist post code 4, that is for the again for the OBC NCL. Then here required qualifications are BTech in chemical engineering or MSc in chemical science or equivalent with a postgraduate degree in the intellectual property law, first class in 60% or 60% on an aggregate of an equivalent GPA. Then the experience required is the research or industry experience at the national, international establishments in a related area, etc. You can check over here. I'll be attaching the link of this PDF. Then for the scientific post 5, post code 5, you are general. Here the experience qualifications required is the BTech in chemical engineering or MSc in chemical science or equivalent, and or ME or MTech or PhD Then the experiences required is in experience in the development or deployment of chemical technologies, experience in handling the projects or technology development and management in the areas of the chemical technologies or chemical sciences. And these are the job roles you can check. Then the scientist post code 6, general, BTech in mechanical engineering or equivalent with the postgraduate degrees, or ME, Tech or PhD submitted in the mechanical engineering or equivalent. Then experience required in the technical property law or patent searches or patent analysis or patent drafting or market data analysis or market intelligence. Then the scientist post code 7 for the EWS, required qualification is the PhD submitted in any field of science or engineering. Then the experience required is the postgraduate diploma in the human research management, that is the HRM, and R&D management or equivalent from the recognized institution, and experience in the capacity need analysis and development of training programs or modules, content creations on multimedia. Then these are again the job roles you can check. Then the scientist post code 8, that is the ST. These are the qualifications required: PhD science submitted in the life science or equivalent. Then research experience in the science, life science or ST, management, science policy and administrations, project review and monitoring preparations or of reports. These are the job roles you can check. And then again the scientist post code 6 for general again. There are many posts they have said, and over here at last you can apply this from their CSIR website. That is the link given over here. If you say, I can attach it in the video. And then all the further announcements of the details pertaining to this process or updates, query, agendum or agendums, etc., will be published or provided in the CSIR RAB official website. So if any further updates are there, I'll be here updating you all. Till then, you can apply from their official website as the link is provided here, or I'll be attaching. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you.